Pan, pan, pan. Pan, pan, pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Lady Marcom. Call sign Whiskey Hotel 35 Zulu. MMSI number 6253-18977. Position 34 degrees 12 decimal 5 minutes north. 118 degrees 28 decimal 7 minutes west. I have man overboard. I repeat, man overboard. Last seen at 1500 UTC. Description: male, wearing a red life jacket. I require immediate assistance. All ships in the vicinity, please keep a sharp lookout and assist if possible. This is motor vessel Lady Marcom out.